안녕! Today I'm gonna use vegetable in season, eggplant, 가지. Look at this color. Eggplant's deep purple skin contains antioxidants, protecting cells from the free oxidative radicals. And I'm going to make healthy eggplant dish just in simple way. I'm going to show you how Koreans enjoy this eggplant. Eggplant side dish, 가지나물, and cold eggplant soup, 가지냉국. Two dishes? Don't worry, it's easy. Just follow me. So, let's set the table. You will need 3 eggplants, chopped half cup green onion, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1 tablespoon soup soy sauce, 1 teaspoon fish sauce, 1 teaspoon red pepper flakes, 2 tablespoons sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon sesame seeds for eggplant side dish. And for cold eggplant soup, you will need 2 cups of cold water, 1 tablespoon chopped red pepper, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon salt, and 6 to 7 ice cubes. First, I'm going to steam eggplant. Add 4 cups of water into steamer and set heat to medium-high for it to boil. Meanwhile, cut eggplants crosswise into 2.5 inches, 6 cm pieces, and then cut it in half lengthwise. When the water is boiling, put eggplants on the steamer and cover it. Steam for 5 minutes over medium-high heat. After 5 minutes, open it and check it if it's soft or not. When it's well steamed, take out eggplants and move into the cutting board. Let cool 10 minutes. It's really hot, so be careful. I'm going to make seasoning sauce. In a bowl, put 1 tablespoon minced garlic, half cup chopped green onion, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon fish sauce, 1 teaspoon red pepper flakes, and 2 tablespoons sesame oil, and mix well. If eggplant is cool enough, tear each piece into bite-sized pieces or cut with a knife. And then put these pieces into the bowl and mix eggplant and seasoning sauce. Sprinkle with the sesame seeds. Then today's first menu, 가지나물, is done. And round 2. I'm going to make cold eggplant soup using this 나물, so leave behind half 나물 for the cold soup. Put the empty bowl in refrigerator to make it cool. Meanwhile, I'm going to make cold soup. Pour 2 cups of cold water and add 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon salt. Take a bowl out of the refrigerator. Place 가지나물 in a bowl and pour the cold soup and mix well. Garnish with chopped red pepper, sesame seeds, and ice cubes. Ta-da! Second dish is done. It's full of eggplant dishes. Is it an eggplant day or something? Anyway, 잘 먹겠습니다. As you know, eggplant tastes better when it's cooked. Eggplant side dish, 가지나물, is very fresh, and eggplant cold soup, 가지냉국, is very sweet and sour, and it makes me cool off. These are a good way to enjoy eggplant's freshness. Today, I made eggplant side dish and eggplant cold soup. You can make it easily at home. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe my channel, please. It helps me a lot. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.